Live911, for the first time ever, gives officers an opportunity to hear the conversation between dispatch and a 911 caller. The call will come in, the dispatchers take it, they complete their pro Q&A protocols, and then they dispatch an officer. That's a delay between when the officer knows about the call and then can start heading that way to the location of the call. We can go there before the dispatch has completed their pro Q&A protocols, and we'll hear the emotion and the tone and the nuances that are going on between the dispatcher and the caller that we have not been able to hear before. So with that information, the officers arrive on scene better prepared to handle whatever the situation is. And the Live911 interface has a dual mapping system. One map shows a zoomed in location of where the call is taking place, and the other map has a wide view of the city relative to where the officer is to where the call is. We can be strategic about going en route sooner. It gets us on scene sooner, and then we can also preemptively launch a drone, and we can have a drone on scene somewhere, which gives us some real-time information about what's unfolding with the call. The Live911 is a benefit for the officer to get real-time information about what's happening, and that enables the department to better serve the community. There's been several incidents recently where we've heard an emergency call go off through Live911, and we proactively launched the drone to get to the location quickly and actually beat responding officers who are in patrol cars to the scene. One good example of that recently is a group of kids were home alone, and they heard noise at the back door that they thought was somebody breaking into the house.
What's the address of your emergency?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, I think I have you located on my 911. Tell me exactly what happened.
Someone is knocking on our door, but my mom's not home. I think they're trying to break in.
Okay, we're going to get some help dispatched. I'm just going to have a few more questions for you, okay? And where is the person now?
They're at my back door, but I don't know where they're at right now. I didn't see them. I'm too scared. When they started banging on our door, we all ran back to my room.
When we heard this Live911 call go off, we preemptively launched a drone and sent it to the location. And we used the drone to clear the backyard and the back door and the back windows and so forth to show that nobody was actually breaking in the house. And the drone was on scene for about a minute to a minute and a half before responding officers and patrol cars actually arrived. So that's one good example where hearing the calls as they occur real time and then using the drone proactively and sending it to the incident location can provide good on-scene intelligence to get a bird's eye view of what's happening.